Update on the flooding situation. Rivers are still full. Usually don't flood here. Boy, it's up. See, the sandbars go there. See how far it is? They usually come way down where that tree right there is. You can see the edge there. All that's not supposed to be underwater. Sorry, I'm hoarse, y'all. I'm not feeling good today. See, it's overflow. I don't know if you can see it way back over there or not. It's going right through the trees. Right through there. This is the Strong River that goes into the Pearl River, which goes into the Mississippi River. Some strong currents. It's killed many people. Okay. We're gonna walk on this side. I don't want to make y'all dizzy. Look at the sky. Looks like more rain. We're being threatened for rain, so I don't want to make y'all drunk. Okay, this is the other side right here. Yeah, you usually can see nothing but sandbars. You can't even see no sand, hardly. All that is underwater. There goes that limb from a while ago. All these currents. Okay, my friends. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for your prayers. Bye. Till next time.